Yes guys, we're back down in Macclesfield with TJ from Dolans Classics. We've got a belter in here for you, a Porsche from 1971, 52 years old this year. I'm going to let TJ explain all about it.
How you doing? Yeah, it's a super rare thing, 914. It's a bit of a collaboration with Volkswagen. So half the parts are actually Volkswagen parts. It's like a bit of a merger. They're a really rare car. Rescued it from a barn. Wasn't running right, wasn't looking right. We've gone through it all. Just needs a good clean. So that's what we're up to today.
Right, let's get it cracking, people. Right, it's time to give it the Snowfoam. We've already given it a little pre-wash. We just skipped that bit, so we're going straight to the Snowfoam, dual auto care and salt. Let's go. Stage 3 now, it's had the pre-wash, Snowfoam. Now it's time to get hands on with the contact wash. Go take it in. Right, thank you for still watching, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for us. So we've done the pre-wash, we've done the snow foam, we've done the contact wash. Now we're going to hit it with the flex. This is Flex by Dual Auto Care. It's a polymer sealant, pretty much lasts for 6 to 8 weeks, pretty much a temporary ceramic coat. Tell me if I'm wrong in the comments, but let's go. The car is now dried itself. Done, Dada. The job's done. Porsche 914, looking belting. We've done the pre-wash, snow foam, contact wash, and even added the flex on to give a bit of protection. Now go take it in. Right, thank you for watching. Make sure you go hit that subscribe button down there or down there, up there. I'll see you on the next one.